Hey folks, hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we're talking about Airalo, an eSIM provider that's become pretty popular for travelers who want mobile data on the go without the usual SIM card hassle. Let's break down how it works and whether it's worth your money. What is Airalo? It's an eSIM marketplace that offers prepaid data plans in over 200 countries. So instead of hunting for a local SIM card when you land somewhere new, you just open the app, buy a plan. Let's see, you just landed in Egypt. These are the different plans that Airalo provides in Egypt. You see the coverage, the data that you have, the validity, and the pricing. And you just head on out, buy a plan, you're online in minutes, no physical SIM card required. How does it work? Basically, download the app on whatever app store you have depending on your phone, or use the website that I'm using right here. Search for your destination on the app. Could be a country or a regional plan like Europe or Asia. Pick a data package that fits your trip. Plans range from 1 gigabyte to 20 and can last from 7 to 30 days. You pay directly in the app and then install the eSIM using a QR code or automatically if your phone is allowed. Once it's installed, you just activate it when you arrive at your destination and immediately if you're already there. So what's good about Airalo? Why Airalo? You've got the instant setup, especially useful if you forget to prep before your trip. Huge global coverage. You'll find plans almost anywhere you go, competitive prices, cheaper than roaming fees, and often close to local SIM rates. Regional and global plans. Great if you're crossing multiple countries, and easy top-ups. You can add more data without reinstalling anything. What are the cons though? As it is with most of these digital eSIMs, it's data only, no local phone number. You'll need apps like WhatsApp or Skype. Who uses Skype? But hey, it's still an option. No unlimited data. Plans are capped, so heavy users might need to top up often. No voice or text plans yet. It's mostly for browsing and light communication. And it needs an eSIM compatible device. Not all phones are supported. Why or should you use Airalo? If you're a frequent traveler or even just planning a single trip, it's super convenient. You stay connected without dealing with SIM cards, stores, or language barriers. It might not be the cheapest in every country, but the ease of use makes it a really strong option. Let me know if you comments if this was useful. Follow us for more. Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.